Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of herbal remedies and explore how you can harness the power of nature with the ultimate guide to herbal remedies, using your medicinal garden kit. Now, if you're someone who values natural solutions for health and wellness, then this kit is an absolute must-have. It's a comprehensive package that empowers you to create your very own medicinal garden right in the comfort of your home. Inside, you'll find everything you need to get started, from a variety of medicinal plant seeds to nutrient-rich soil and eco-friendly pots. But what truly sets this kit apart is the wealth of knowledge it provides. This guide is like having your own personal herbalist at your fingertips. It's packed with detailed instructions on how to cultivate each plant, along with invaluable tips on harvesting, drying, and preparing herbal remedies. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, this kit makes it easy to grow your own medicine. Just imagine having a thriving garden filled with potent herbs like lavender for relaxation, peppermint for digestion, and echinacea for immune support. But wait, there's more. By purchasing the Ultimate Guide to Herbal Remedies through the link in the description below, you'll not only be investing in your own well-being but also supporting our channel. So what are you waiting for? Transform your home into a sanctuary of health and vitality with the Ultimate Guide to Herbal Remedies, using your medicinal garden kit. Click the link below to get yours today. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy gardening.